I will literally use this every single day. This is how it looks. Super bouncy and super cute. So comfortable. Beginner-friendly tutorials can be overwhelming sometimes because of the amount of products that they show. So I'm going to show you how it's definitely not necessary to use a ton of products. You just need the right ones. So let me share my tricks with you. So what are the best products if you are a beginner? Multi-purpose products are essential. It just means you can use one single product for different applications, which is honestly very convenient. It will also help you build the look without that much effort, since the color will match perfectly and it will give you a cohesive look instantly. Multifunctional product. This is not the same as multi-use. This is, for example, if you want to skip one product and substitute it by one that has multiple functions, like using a blush with blurring properties, so you can skip the powder. The products that you choose, you want them to adhere really well to the skin, so you can use them on their own. Not too oily, not too sticky, since those can be sometimes a little bit trickier to incorporate it into your whole look. You want something really simple to apply. And lastly, this might sound really obvious, but easy to use products. Good products that are so easy to apply that it's difficult to mess it up. No matter how you apply them, they always end up looking good, So let's do a full look in just 10 minutes based on this criteria. And we'll only need 4 products for this. No complex eyeshadow or eyeliner, since we're looking to simplify makeup here, and these aren't necessarily key elements for a clean girl makeup. So let's focus on blush and bronzer instead. I love me a lightweight base, so let's do that real quick. Now we're doing blush, bronzer and eyeshadow, only using these 2 products. You can now see why I said this is the simplest kit. These are the potting pots from fwee, and they're such a beautiful multi-purpose product. With them we don't have to worry about matching colors or anything. Let me do a couple of swatches so you see what I'm talking about, and we'll put them on right after. In terms of blendability and blur, the formula is like any other I've ever tried. It blends so effortlessly, it feels like a velvet cloud. As you can see, it's super blurring, and that will give us a beautiful airbrushed finish on the skin. They are buildable, so you can wear them more sheer or build that color up for more intensity. But in texture, it adheres to the skin the softest way possible, so it makes them very long lasting. If you have a similar skin tone to me, I think you will love Slayyy and Boss. These are just a couple of my favorites. They adhere and set really well on the skin. That really helps when it comes to easy makeup, because you only need 1 product or 2 and you're done. You can actually skip powder. These potting pots come in 30 shades, so you will find something for you. You have more cooler tones, you have more warm tones. If you're unsure about the color, I would recommend applying a soft layer of a calm mid-tone shade for a natural look. If you want to intensify that, you can go for a darker shade. You do you. I'm going to use shade Chilling for my bronzer and Slayyy for blush. These are recommended to apply with a silicone tool like this that mimics the fingers. I'm going to grab a little bit of this shade. As you can see, they're super bouncy and super cute. I'm going to apply this a little bit lower, slightly above my contour line. I'm going to diffuse it further with my finger. You can now see why I say they are so blurring. Let's apply some to this side. I'm going to do a very thin layer of this first shade and then build it up a little bit more with the second shade. To clean this and switch colors, it couldn't be easier. Just grab a little bit of paper and you're done. And now into the shade Slayyy. This is going to be my blush. Can you see how blurry that is? Okay, there's so much glow here, and that it's just smooth. It's so smooth. I love a good blush, honestly, and this is just so beautiful. The way both colors blend together, a little bit on this side. Now with whatever's left here, I'm going to bring this a little bit on the eyes. This will make the whole look so cohesive without the need of any extra product, any separate eyeshadows. You literally can do everything with just this. It's just so easy and convenient to apply. Let me just add a little bit on the bridge of my nose. Let's just add a little bit of mascara to finish with the eyes. Finally, for the lips, some gloss. White gloss instead of lipstick. I personally think it's way more comfortable and it just looks really good, to be honest. To add some color to the lips, you can simply add a little bit of the pudding pot, just like this. I'm using the same shade as the blush, Slayyy. This, just like this, looks absolutely perfect, but I'm gonna do some gloss. But I'm going to use this jelly pot from fwee. This is how it looks. It has a beautiful jelly texture. So amazing, to be honest. Like nothing I've ever tried before. I think this is my favorite shade. It's shade Couverture. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but here are other shades that I think they're stunning as well. This is Cherryppo, this one's Cream Tea, and this one's Rosy Glaze. Both Couverture and Cherryppo give a very cherry red hue, but Couverture is much warmer, where Cherryppo has more red pigment. Rosy Glaze and Cream Tea have a more natural shade. Cream Tea leans more towards the lavender pink, and Rosy Glaze gives a warm toned down red. You can apply this with your finger, but since I have like long nails, I'm going to use the same applicator that I use for the potting pots. I'm just grabbing a little bit. Oh. I mean, it's stunning, it's stunning. This shade is so me. I will literally use this every single day. Look how beautiful the lips look, so juicy. They're honestly so comfortable and so hydrating. They feel like, my lips quite literally feel like jelly in the best way possible. I don't really know how to describe that, but it's just so comfortable. These jelly pots. And just like this, we have created a super simple 4-product makeup that requires literally no skills, basically no effort. You can do this in under 10 minutes. Perfect whether you're a beginner and don't really know where to start, or if you just want to simplify your makeup routine. Of course, as always, I will leave the links to the products below. I think fwee killed it with both the potting pots and the jelly pots. Like, they are such versatile products. Honestly, I really recommend. So yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. Yeah, let me know what you think. And also big thank you to fwee for sponsoring this video and letting me teach you this simplified makeup. I'm honestly so grateful that I can do this. Thank you everyone for supporting me. So I will see you in my next video. Bye!